Saving money and investing are important for building your financial future, and here's how to get started. So, for saving money, number one, set savings goals. Define what you're saving for, such as an emergency fund or vacation or a new car, having specific goals that can motivate you. So, number two, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where you can cut back. Allocate a portion of your income to savings each month. Number three, open a savings account. Use a dedicated savings account to help your savings separate from your spending money. Look for accounts with higher interest rates. Number four, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account and into your TFSA and your RRSPs. This makes saving easier and more consistent. Number five, reduce unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can cut costs like dining out or subscription services. Use those savings to boost your savings account. Now, for investing, number one, educate yourself. Learn about different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Or talk to a senior financial advisor that already did the schooling. You just get his advice. Understand the risks and potential returns of each. Number two, start small. Begin with a small amount of money to invest. Many platforms allow you to invest a little bit of money, making it easier to start. Number three, consider retirement accounts. If available, contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. Often, these often offer tax benefits that could grow while you're saving over time. You got also number four, diversify investments. Don't put all your money into one investment account. Spread it across different assets to reduce risk. And number five, stay consistent. Invest regularly, even if it's a small amount. Consistency can lead to significant growth over time with compound interest. By saving regularly and making informed decisions, you're going to have a strong financial foundation for your future.